Hello friends, welcome back to Tech with IQ. In this channel, we teach you simple social media and computer hacks to make your life easier. In today's tutorial, I will tell you how you can add a signature to every email you send on Gmail. The steps are the same in Android, iOS and even on your desktop. So don't worry if you are doing it on your laptop or desktop. Let's start. First of all, open your Gmail account that you have already logged in. Now click on the three-linked icon you see in the upper left corner of your screen. Now scroll down to go to Settings. Since I have logged into two different accounts, I will firstly click on the account where I want to add a signature. If you have one account logged in, you'll simply skip this step. Now here, click on the signature setting button. Check this mobile signature option. Now you will type whatever signature you want to add here. Okay, now let's test the signature with a dummy email. Go to Compose Email and send an email to any of your account. Okay, email has been sent. Let's check how it has been sent. Go to the Sent options. Here you see the signatures has been automatically added to the sent email. That's it for today. I hope you liked the video. For more videos, support my channel by clicking the subscribe button and click the bell icon.